Ghana, as a member state, is one of the countries that sponsored the declaration of the World Day for Engineering for Sustainable Development. We sponsored this declaration because we believe in the importance of engineering and engineers in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Engineers are vital for all of man's basic needs and beyond. In the areas of health, in the areas of our basic needs, transport, etc., we find that we need engineers. This year's theme, Build Back Wiser, Engineering the Future, is particularly relevant. The world is just emerging from the throes of COVID-19, and we know how we have suffered. We didn't have the right infrastructure, hospitals, etc., to deal with the menace. It is important, now that we are rebuilding, to not just go back to repairing, but to make our world fitter and readier for any such pandemic. It is important to consider disaster risk reduction and also to use new technologies as we engineer for the future. It is important to have traditional engineering, but with new technologies added to it. So we are building back, well, you are building back wiser. Category 2 centers under the auspices of UNESCO are centers of excellence in their designated fields. We are very proud as a country to have one of 2 centers of excellence for engineering in Africa in the institution of the Technology Consultancy Center of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. It's a new center, but I know and already the rest of the world has shown a lot of interest in it. What we see the TCC doing is being a bridge between academia and industry. And that technology transfer is very important. If the work of engineers are to get to industry and transform our country, then we need organizations like this. We look forward to their work impacting not just Ghana, but all of Africa. In February, we celebrated the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. And building on that today, I'd like to advise the young ones, especially the females, to venture into engineering. It is a profession that needs young women because we have been told that young women are more stable in professions and only females can solve female problems. If we are to develop sustainably, then we need young people, young females in these professions, and not just in the popular ones, but also in others such as hydrogeology, geomatic engineering, and the like. It is also important that young people venture into engineering because in them we have brilliant minds who will be able to apply new technologies to basic engineering and help us build our world better, wiser, and more brilliant. Only they can help us do it. Thank you.